In this lesson, we're going to install WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system that is absolutely free. You can build just about anything you could imagine. Websites, blogs, apps, you name it. And Cpanel is a plugin that works with WordPress. So go to your control panel and log in there. If your control panel doesn't look exactly like this, don't worry about that. Just contact your web hosting company and ask them for your control panel login. What you're seeing right now is called the Cpanel, and majority of web hosting companies use this software. This allows you to install a bunch of different scripts like you see Joomla, WordPress, and so on and so forth. But I'm not going to go through all the details of this here. So from here, you see software, you go to Softaculous. So you click on this. And once you get here, there's all the scripts you can install. So you click on Install WordPress. So once you get here, you're going to notice that you have a lot going on here, but I just want you to focus for now just on a few things here where it says choose the version you want to install. When you click on this drop down menu, it's going to show you the latest version up top. So you leave that is selected by default. And also you have your quick install or you have custom install. Now for custom install, this is when you want to do a little bit more, but we're going to keep things just set up here, quick install. And you have to choose installation URL. If you want to install this on your primary domain name, you don't have to put a directory or subfolder. By putting a subfolder here, all the files are going to be located right over here, but we don't, so we need this for now. For the HTTP protocol, if your domain has an SSL certificate, as I mentioned before, then it's going to select this by default. But if not, you can change this later on. You can contact your web hosting company as well. For the site name, you can keep it at whatever name you want to call it. I'm just call it Docan. For the description, you can keep it at that. And then for the multi-site, I'm not really doing the multi-site, so I can leave that off now. And then you put your username, put your password, and you want to put in an email that you can be able to retrieve your logins with. So when you've done that, scroll to the bottom here. They're just showing you different themes that you can be able to get, but we're not going to need that. So let's click on install. Also, if you want the details to be sent to like the login details, you can put your email right here. So just click on install. And once you've successfully installed WordPress on your domain name, you're going to notice you have two URL, your domain name. This is the front end and this is the back end of it.